People who live in southern Lee County will no longer have to drive 15 minutes away during an emergency. This Lee Health facility will help patients 24 hours a day in Estero. Wink News anchor Channing Frampton takes us inside to show us how the doctors here will be equipped to save lives.
I think it's wonderful to have it here.
Ken Kinnear lives in Estero and likes to live healthy. That's why he shops for produce just down the street from the new Lee Health facility at Coconut Point.
I go clear to Naples now for my medical help.
Which is quite a drive for him and his neighbors. But this new facility, as seen from the Wink News drone, is jam-packed with new state-of-the-art health tech, which will make it easier for him to get treated. Dr. Larry Antonucci is president and CEO of Lee Health.
I think we've delivered in a big way.
In these brand new operating rooms, they include these 4K televisions, the highest resolution surgeons can get when they're working on you.
And having a 24/7 emergency room, a surgery center, physician offices, imaging, and lab gives them that care.
And his customers like Kinnear, he hopes will benefit most from this 163,000 square foot health and wellness center.
I very much think that it's a good thing for the community.
A community growing in size and demand for quality health care. In Estero, Channing Frampton, Wink News Now.
Lee Health plans to start treating patients here the first week of December. Ahead on Wink News at 5, why competition just down the road could have you making a tough choice in healthcare.
Wink News drone flew over the new Lee Health facility in Coconut Point today, but that means there's more competition for NCH now. Wink News anchor Channing Frampton talked to some people who say this could essentially make their lives healthier.
We are incredibly excited. This has been years of planning, years of working with the community.
Dr. Larry Antonucci and his team at Lee Health are celebrating this new medical center at Coconut Point.
It is basically a hospital without beds.
And it's just down the road from NCH's new medical center, giving people living here a choice in health care. But Antonucci isn't worried about competition.
There's going to be a lot of patients here, and there's going to be a lot of business here.
And a lot of new technology, which Senior Project Manager Jonathan Witenko is happy to show off.
I can click on where I am inside the building, and so the whole building is mapped out.
And they even have this new teaching kitchen, which helps patients learn how to make delicious and nutritious meals for a healthier life.
Personally, I think if they treated causes with more functional medicine practices, you might have less of a need to fill hospital beds.
Rick Walker agrees. Teaching you how to live healthier may prevent a visit to a medical center in the first place. But his neighbors, like Ken Kinnear, say they're glad the facility is about to open.
I think it's wonderful to have it here. I go clear to Naples now for my medical help.
A trip Antonucci hopes to prevent for him and other people in this community.
And not only are more and more people moving here, but more and more older people are moving here.
People who they are ready to help for years to come. In Estero, Channing Frampton, Wink News Now.
Lee Health is hosting an open house this Saturday from 9 to 1 for anybody who wants to check it out.